Hi designers! Today I will show you how to add a gradient to any object for which you have the possibility to change the color of it, and some variants of the gradients how you can make it more interesting. So when you choose the color, it will be solid by default, means one plain color. Click as on the video to choose gradient. In this setting, you can adapt a simple linear gradient. Continue to watch the video for more. Now you can see that we can change the type of our gradient depending on our needs.